Here's a list of weight loss-friendly foods that are filling and nutritious. 1. Leafy greens, for example, spinach, kale. 2. Cruciferous vegetables, for example, broccoli, cauliflower. 3. Whole eggs. 4. Lean protein, for example, chicken breast, fish. 5. Legumes and beans, for example, lentils, black beans. 6. Nuts and seeds, for example, almonds, chia seeds. 7. Fruits, for example, apples, berries, grapefruit. 8. Greek yogurt plain, unsweetened. 9. Avocados. 10. Whole grains, for example, oats, quinoa. 11. Cottage cheese. 12. Chili peppers. 13. Broth-based soups. 14. Popcorn or popped. These foods are generally low in calories and high in nutrients, helping you feel full and satisfied while supporting weight loss.